Ashgourdcurry Besan yogurt is a flavorful and comforting dish that brings a mild sweetness of Ashgourd and rich in nut taste of Besan and the tanginess of yogurt. This simple and delicious recipe is popular in many Indian households and is perfect for a light meal or a side dish with rice or roti. In a kadai, heat 2 spoons of sesame oil or ghee over low flame. Add 2 teaspoons of besan to the kadai and mix it well. Stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes until the besan turns golden brown in color. Once done, set it aside. In the same kadai, add another 2 spoons of oil or ghee. Heat it and then add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, broken red chilies, curry leaves and slit green chilies. Adjust the number of chilies based on your spice preference. Once the spices splatter, add the chopped tomato, beans and carrot. Mix it well and cover the kadai. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a low heat. After 3 to 4 minutes, add the thinly chopped ashgourd to the kadai. Mix everything well and cover again. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the ashgourd to soften. While the vegetables are cooking, add water to the pre-cooked besan until it reaches a smooth curd-like texture. After 5 to 7 minutes, open the lid. If the vegetables looks too dry, add 1 cup of water. Add coriander powder, red chili powder and salt to taste. Stir well and cover the kadai again. Let it cook for another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, pour the prepared besan mixture into the kadai. Mix it gently, ensuring no lumps form. Whisk the yogurt until smooth, then pour it in the kadai. Stir well to combine all the ingredients and cover the kadai and cook for additional 12 minutes on a low heat until the ashgourd is soft and cooked through. Garnish the dish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the flame. Your delicious and healthy ashgourd yogurt besan is ready to serve. When you are a fan of traditional Indian flavors or looking to try something new, this dish is sure to please your taste buds.